Hey guys, this is TBW563 along with
What's gonna make you say alerts?
And the Smoker WX.
and today we are going to be unboxing a possibly engraved Midland 74105XL. Or sorry, Midland 74105. I have the 105XL. The 105 is its older brother.
Oh my gosh, you okay?
Yeah. Also, it was sold along with this, which I got yesterday.
Monday.
The 74102. Monday. Alrighty. Oh. And let's get the radio out. How the hell do you get the radio out? Oh.
By opening the box.
Yeah, no shit.
Yes.
Hey, look, it comes in the, what the fuck was that? Hey, look, it comes in the same little, thingy as the 74102 did. And then, here's the power adapter. 18-396. So, let's get this guy out. It's a big-ass adapter.
That's a BAP.
BAP. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, bruh.
Bruh.
I come with the pamphlets. Let's see. And it is engraved. It is engraved with a Pepsi. It's engraved. Wow.
You know what? You should bring that radio to Atlanta and go to the Coca-Cola store with it. And actually from the store.
Pepsi. That's a Pepsi radio.
Pepsi radio.
I have a Pepsi radio at the, yeah. I hope that it's not as high pitched as the 105XL and the 102.
I mean, I think the 105 and the 105XL, I feel like have the same siren.
This thing is way...
Oh
Oh my god, this radio is heavy as hell. Wait, it has a battery in it, isn't it? It has a battery in it. I bet. It has a battery in it. Whatever, I'll go with it. Okay, let's see. Let's power it on. Okay, it's on AM. WX. It's silent. Wait, can tuners die on this? Oh, never mind. It has a better... 74105s are already... A new in box are already rare as it is, and one that's engraved, this must be really rare. I can't... Okay, wait, it's on 5.5. Whatever. Whatever. Alright, we're gonna do a siren test, and I have it set on LED and alarm this time, so it'll actually go off. Alright, ready? Siren test in 3, 2... I bet you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy Jesus! Oh my god! Oh my god! That is high pitch! Holy Jesus! It's the 74. I thought the 74102 was high pitched. Listen to this. That's already high pitched as hell. That's already high pitched as hell. Now what? Listen to this. That's so high pitched. Oh my god. Holy Jesus. Oh my god. Midland. Midland, what did you do? The poor radio. What have you fucking done to it? Oh my god, Midland.
Wow.
What?
Midland was on some crack work. Midland must have been on something with it.
Okay, this gotta be a record. This has to be a record for the highest pitched siren. Highest pitched siren.
HH50.
Don't even think of. Well, highest pitched siren radio. You know, like a. You know.
I still think 50 was yes there, but gosh, that is just ridiculous. That is just absolutely.
Midland 420 was yesterday. You didn't need to smoke all the weed before you sent this thing to me. Okay.
I'm not sure the radio with an even higher pitched siren than that.
Oh God, no, please, no.
Oh, I bet there is. There probably is somewhere.
Probably at 74105 somewhere.
Oh my gosh.
That is high as that is high pitched as hell. Oh my God. I thought it wasn't. I thought it was gonna be lower pitched. Clearly I am wrong.
Yeah, we thought the 102 was high pitched. Wow.
Damn, bro. Alright.
I want to make it 105 now.
Alright then. Well, we're gonna conclude the unboxing. This was the unboxing of my Pepsi radio and very high siren. Very, very high siren. Midland 74105, and I was joined with
Rescue emergency alerts.
And East Melbourne WX.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video with a siren test.